Question 18, excess demand in a market will cause the price of a product to do what? Excess demand in a market will cause the price of a product to do what? Question 19. People will buy more of an inferior good when their income does what? People will buy more of an inferior good when their income does what? Question 20. What does the market demand curve show? What does the market demand curve show? All right, that's the end of the first 20. That's the true-false questions.
Oh, no.
Now we go to multiple choice, and we go back to chapter 1. Back in chapter 1, question 21. What's the definition of economics? Question 21. What is the definition of economics? Question 22. Because resources are limited, people must do what? Because resources are limited, people must do what? Question 23. How would you describe positive economics? How would you describe positive economics? Question 24. Who was Adam Smith? Who was Adam Smith? Question 25. Ceteris paribus is a Latin expression meaning what? Ceteris paribus is a Latin expression meaning what?
On this test, will we be given all 50 questions at once or 20? Okay.
No, you do them all at the same time. All right, question 26. What do we call the study of choices made by households, firms, and government? What do we call the study of the choices made by households, firms, and government? What is that called?
Household firms.
And government.
Right. That's one part.
All right, question 27. What's the definition of macroeconomics? Macroeconomics.
Are you gonna let us know when you start chapter 2?
Mm-hmm, sure will. I'm not there yet. Almost, but not yet.
Okay. Got it.
Question 28. I will list 4 factors. You tell me which of the 4 is not a factor in making economic decisions. Which of the 4 is not a factor in making economic decisions?
At what?
Making economic decisions.
Are you gonna give us those, or just?
I'll give you, I'm gonna list 4 of them. You tell me which of the 4 is not it. So that means 3 of them are. All right, question 29 begins chapter 2, the key principles. Question 29, what is an opportunity cost? What is an opportunity cost? Question 30. The principle of opportunity cost is related to what? The principle of opportunity cost is related to what? Question 31. What do we call the additional cost resulting from a small increase in an activity? What do we call the additional cost resulting from a small increase in an activity? What do we call the additional cost resulting in a small increase in an activity? Question 32, what does the marginal principle imply? What does the marginal principle imply? Question 33, when people act in their own self-interest, that best describes what principle? When people act in their own self-interest, that best describes what principle? Question 34, what does the principle of diminishing returns imply? What does the principle of diminishing returns imply? Question 35, what does the reality or real nominal principle state? What does the reality or real nominal principle state?
Can you repeat that again one more time?
What does the reality or real principle state?